these are some of the towels that I just washed. They came out nice and clean. I have two different buckets here. This bucket is like my C and D towels. These are like my A and B towels. And what I mean by that is these go on the paint. These are for, you know, quick detailing, anything really, but these don't touch the wheels. They don't touch door jambs. They're really for paint so they don't scratch. Now, as these towels get old or get messed up, they go into a different pile where they get downgraded, and they go to interiors, they go to wheels, they just get downgraded. And I keep them separately. Now, when I wash these, I use a special microfiber type of shampoo or soap. And there's many on the market today. I'm gonna share one with you that I really, really like. And they work so good that when I wash these types of towels that have been downgraded, it actually makes them come out so clean and nice and soft that I want to put them back over here. But I keep them in this one for my rinseless washing and for my tires still. You know, the difference is they still come out clean, but I've used some type of SiO2 product that has hardened them up, or just over time and age, they get a little crusty. But they do come out super, super clean enough that I could use them on paint, but I have so many towels, and these are just A++ right here. So I don't need to do that, but I'm gonna share with you what I'm using lately, and I really like it. So stay tuned for this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, today I'm gonna show you some before and afters. I'm gonna be using the McKee's 37 microfiber cleaner and rejuvenator. Now here I've got a bunch of really nasty looking towels here. These are my downgraded towels. They used to be, you know, you have different levels starting out with your paint, and then as they start getting uglier, you send them down to, I don't know, interior, and then to wheels and whatnot. So you downgrade them. So I downgrade these. Usually after I wash them, they're still good for rinseless washing or waterless washing. They have to be really nasty and just get some weird type of filling on them. You know, they get kind of crusty, but you know, these still work very well when you set them inside rinseless wash type of water. So these are all pretty ugly, and I'm gonna send them inside the washer today. And like I said, we're gonna be using this McKee's stuff. So for a half load, you could use 1 to 2 ounces. If I had a real big load, I could use 2 to 4 ounces. They also like you to, that's pretty good there. So they also like you to let them sit and soak, but you know, I don't really know how to work this darn thing. So we're just gonna wash them normally. So I've got it on normal cycle, put it on. It's just, everything is normal. You know, extra high spin, temp is warm. And I'll take them out, I'll put them inside the dryer afterward, and then we'll take a look. All right, so we are back. Towels are washed. Let me put them in the dryer. Okay, I got the dryer set. I got the temperature on low. Let's get it going. You got 25 minutes there. And I've got another batch of towels. Let's go ahead and throw these in there. These I use some for waterless washing, some for just topical drying. So they're not too bad. All right, once again, I'm gonna put a couple squirts, 1, 2. All right, and we'll get this started here. It's thinking it'll probably do about 25 minutes. It's gonna start moving in there and weighing it out. Okay, so that's still got 8 minutes left in the washer. The dryer has just finished. Let me pull some of these towels out of here, and I'll get folding in a second. All right, so I've got some towels here. Let's check them out. Nice, clean, soft. These were pretty dirty. Here's another one. Nice and clean. Very good. All right, all right. Let's check some more here. I mean, these look great. Let's see. Remember, these are my downgraded towels. These are the ones I use for, they're crusty a little bit, and these feel nice and soft now, but they can get crusty. Sometimes I'll use it for wheels or something. Not bad at all. Let's take some more here. Here's some old yellow towels. Very good. These ones were nice and dirty. Still look okay. Here's another one of these. Very good, nice and soft. Really good, guys. Very, very good. So as you can tell, the McKee's does a great job at cleaning these up. Now, will every towel be perfect again? No, that would be impossible, but I would say that you get them pretty darn near perfect. You know, sometimes if you use a certain SiO2 product and you don't soak them right away, it will make them a little crusty and hard. But they still come out clean, but then those are the ones that I would use for like rinseless washing, because once you soak them in a rinseless wash, they get nice and soft again. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just a little more crunchy when they're dry. All right, so the washer is finished. I'm going to throw those into the dryer, but I just wanted to say, you know, like I said, these are my downgraded towels, and when I finish washing them with the McKee's product over here, I want to put them back into the upgraded pile. For the most part, I could pick out 3 or 4 that are just crusty and old, but the rest of them come out so good that I could use them again, raise them up back from, you know, C or D level to A minus, B plus level. So it's just super cool. All right, here's my towels. These are my more upgraded towels. My A towels, B towels, and I'm gonna get them and put them into the dryer now. Okay, it just finished. These are my good towels here, and boy, do they feel nice. Super soft, nice and plush again. I'll show them to you. Give me a second. All right, so these are the ones I use on paint. Looks fantastic. Very, very nice. Soft. They got the fibers all nice and cleaned up. Trying to fold this with one hand here. Very clean, perfect looking, excellent, very nice. Got your short nap towels, some more edgeless. I mean, look at the color vibrance on these. Super, super nice. Soft. Love it. Very, very good. We got a couple more there. Let me fold these up. So guys, we've finished all the towels. These are my A towels, B plus towels. They just come out fantastic, brand new. They feel soft. You know, these types of towels cost a lot of money, and we love our microfiber towels. So if you guys really want to keep them in the best shape, get them as clean as possible, try out some of this McKee's 37 microfiber cleaner and rejuvenator. It really does a phenomenal job. I've tried many different microfiber cleaners, and you know, I really like this one a lot. Thanks for watching, guys.